miss my parents. I really miss my parents. I outlived both of them. My mom died when she was 60. She had cancer. My dad died when he was 48. He had a blood clot that developed after surgery, and it ended up killing him. I think about my kids, my grandkids, and how much I would miss watching them grow up in their life. And then I think about my parents, and oh my God, they miss so much. My dad more than anything, but my mom too. She was kind of the glue that held the family together. We all went to her place for gatherings. We all made sure that we checked in with her, and we all made the effort to be together whenever Mom wanted us. And I try to do that with my kids. I have a monthly family dinner, just me, my kids, and my grandkids. And I really feel it's important. I wonder if I got that from her, or I wonder what she would think of that. But anyway, I can't imagine not being here now. I can't imagine that I would miss out on my grandson's wedding. My other grandson's getting married next year. I have a granddaughter who is a teacher and is just blooming in her life now. She's 25 years old. And my youngest grandson is going to school in the States, in Virginia, on a lacrosse scholarship. Like, oh my God, I can't believe that I could possibly miss all this. It's going to be a shorter time before I'm gone, rather than the time that I've been here, right? I've got a lot less time to be here than I have been here. But I want these years to matter. And I want to do things that make memories. It's so important to have these memories. Today, I was very, very fortunate that my youngest daughter and my youngest grandson, and that's not mother and son. That's aunt and grandma and my grandson. We went on a creative adventure today. We went out to an escape room at Discovery Harbour in Penetanguishene, Ontario, Canada. Oh my God, it was so great. But not only that, this Discovery Harbour has a bunch of buildings from wartime and from when Penetanguishene was established. It was just so interesting. And we got to go in some of these buildings. I'll put some pictures and see how people lived and what their bedrooms looked like. Or we even saw a blacksmith, and how blacksmiths were so important. This blacksmith told us that back in the day, an apprenticeship to be a blacksmith was 3 years longer than to be a surgeon. That's how important that job was. It was so interesting. We walked forever and we got to see so many different things. And it's right on the water in Penetanguishene. It was beautiful. Georgian Bay is gorgeous, and we just soaked it all up. We laughed, we smiled, we talked, we carried on, and oh my God, the memories that were built today will last me forever. And I hope they'll last my daughter, and I hope they'll last my grandson for a very long time too. These things are so important that you do and you establish. I can't fathom not being here and watching their life, but I know it's gonna happen. So I am going to try to take every moment I can to be as healthy as I can, to live as long as I can in a healthy body so I can enjoy these things. I don't just want to live longer and just be here. I want to live a quality life. So I'm working on my health, my weight, strength training, and I do YouTube, and I still try to learn things to keep my mental capacity moving along. This is so important, and I hope you do the same. Please don't stop learning and growing and trying your best to be the best that you can be, even as you age. I'm almost 66, and I am really taking stock in a lot of things right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you too want the best and the most out of your life. And just go do it. Make sure that every day you are making a memory of some kind. Be brave, be strong, and love endlessly. Bye for now.